Mastering advanced Google Ads strategies is crucial for achieving optimal results in your online advertising campaigns. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into advanced techniques and tactics that will help you maximize the efficiency and effectiveness of your Google Ads campaigns. Table of contents. Understanding the basics. Keyword research and selection. Ad group structure. Quality score and ad rank. Advanced keyword targeting. Broad match, phrase match, and exact match keywords. Negative keywords. Dynamic keyword insertion. Advanced ad copywriting. A or B testing, ad extensions, responsive search ads, optimizing landing pages. Landing page relevance, A or B testing landing pages, mobile optimization, bidding strategies. Manual vs. automated bidding, target CPA and target ROAS, enhanced CPC, audience targeting. Remarketing lists, similar audiences, customer match, ad scheduling and ad delivery.
Remarketing and rotation ad delivery optimization camming settings.
Location targeting, device targeting, ad schedule adjustments, advanced campaign types. Display advertising, video advertising, shopping ads, app advertising, performance tracking, and analytics. Conversion tracking, Google Analytics integration, attribution models, competitive analysis. Auction insights, competitor research tools, benchmarking, budget optimization. budget allocation strategies, bid adjustments, seasonal budgeting, ad quality and compliance. Ad policies, ad creative best practices, ad testing, Google Ads scripts. Automation and customization, script examples, advanced reporting. Custom reports, data studio integration, advanced metrics, scaling campaigns. Expanding to new markets, campaign duplication and scaling, international campaigns, Google Ads API and third-party tools. API integration, third-party tools for optimization, staying updated. Google Ads updates, industry trends and news, troubleshooting and problem solving. Diagnosing issues, common pitfalls and solutions, case studies and success stories. Real-world examples of successful advanced Google Ads strategies. In this extensive guide, we will explore each of these topics in depth, providing practical tips, examples, and best practices to help you master advanced Google Ads strategies. Whether you're a seasoned advertiser looking to fine-tune your campaigns or a newcomer aiming to gain a competitive edge, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools needed to excel in the world of online advertising.